Hey, it's your Bohemian Unicorn. Welcome back to another video. So if you want to see how I created this easy three color, if you want to see how I create this easy look, keep watching.
Jimmy on the track, so you know it's lit.
Fly, bubble boy. Fly, bubble boy.
Purchase your tracks today.
Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. And always so that you can be reminded and notified when I post another video. I'll be doing more uploads now. My next few videos may not be makeup related. They might be to the crochet side of my page. So look out for that, because a lot of people have been asking me when am I doing another crochet video. And I also see my crochet video is one of the highest videos I have. So I'm gonna try to tend more to my subscribers and just, you know, build up my fan base. So but I'll still be taking suggestions for any type of videos you guys would want to see. You know, be you, because nobody else can. And don't go broke pop styling for these niggas. See you in the next video.